Yeah, welcome back to the channel. As you hear, maybe I stopped the engine. You hear, now I stand in under a tree and it's raining. And the weather forecast have been telling me it's going to rain some things every day for at least a week. This summer also have been just hopeless. And I'm in the 2006 Land Cruiser. And it had been to a MOT control and it didn't pass. I got the controller paper here. You have the parking brake is not adjusted good enough, and that's I understand because I had very little time and didn't be able to adjust it, so I told them to adjust it. But they didn't do it because some other things had to be fixed. The fog light in the front is wrongly adjusted, they say. But there's no adjustment on it. So I just have to see on the other one, try to bend this one the same. One number plate light bulb is gone. Okay. I think I bought some new, maybe I forgot to change it. And the electric connection to the trailer in the back, to the hitch, has some bad connection. That is completely typical Toyota Land Cruiser. And one wheel bearing, right hand front side. I have been in there, I couldn't see that it made any noise whatsoever, but the simmering on the outside was not perfect, so I was thinking to change that one, but maybe some dirt are coming, I'm not sure. But I have ordered a new one. And the upper ball joint, right hand side front, is also bad, they say, so that one I also order. So in some days when I get that in, I was hoping to fix it, and then the weather forecast say rain. So now I just get so irritated that I went out and bought a party tent that is 3 meters wide, 6 meters long. And now, even if it's rain, I'm going to put it up so it can start drying up. So maybe I can start checking something tomorrow or the day after, because I can't just sit waiting for the weather to get better. This is too hopeless. So I just have to do something. So the angry crazy guy is going to go out in the rain and put up a tent. This is living in the middle of Norway, in Trøndelag. The winter was not good, the spring was bad, and now the start of the summer is hopeless. So I just have to get up this tent, so at least I can be able to be a little dry when trying to work on some of the cars here, because the garage is filled up. So there's a lot of things. And it's raining so much, so I just have to try to take it from here. It's supposed to be, let's see, find at least a language that is easy for slow me to understand, so I don't have to think. Yeah. I got on the roof and just have to hang up start with the walls. So it's going slowly. Yeah, then I'm completely wet, and I got up this, just thinking I'm going to move it a little closer to the garage, if I can do that, but I'll do it tomorrow, and I get someone to help me a little, so we can see, but at least 3 meter wide, 6 meter long. I can get the Land Cruiser in here and can let this stand dry up a little and take it in tomorrow, because it's raining cats and dogs and it's very bad weather. And just get in and dry up and try to relax a little the rest of the evening. But I found my own system to get it up. The wall and the roof is in the same. That seems to be the only way I get enough is like this. Here I had 2. That was not supposed to be like this. So I'll just take off again. Can I keep the camera somewhere? Put it through there. Through there. There. Yeah. It's raining badly. You see out the window here. But at least in a day or 2 this start to dry up in here, even if the shitty weather is going on. So I can actually start to do something here. And tomorrow when I come home, I think I can put up the rest there and can check some more details here. And then it should be okay to be able to have a place to at least start with the Land Cruiser, even if this shitty weather is going on. So that was just a small update. I'm coming back, of course, with more on the Land Cruiser. I'm going to fix that. I'm also coming back with I ordered some service part for the Outlander 2-liter TDI engine. So I'm going to take some service on that one too. So it's coming something. Just have to have a dry place I can do something. And the garage is filled up with some others. Yeah, it's the day after. I have a little lighter now. They have been raining today also a lot, and it's supposed to rain more, so I have to try to drive in the Land Cruiser. And you see the door system here is more or less not high enough, so I just have to force it through. Okay, you have to see. Yeah, just have to see. Maybe I can put the camera up somewhere. There. Have to put the camera upside down. I got it in, and it's okay, dry. It's got in under the door system with just a little to go. So luckily here it's much nicer to be than outside. I'll just leave it here to dry up. I have to go and get something to put up the wall there. There! You can stand and dry up a little. I have to get one more of my hanger system up there and some more down in the corner, but I have more of it, so that should go okay. Now I can just close it and go and eat dinner. See, also I have some rusty part on the top here and some other place, so I should have tried to get some small can with this paint for this car. Yeah, so thank you. Please come back to see more on the channel. I'm going to start working on this car, but now it's so wet and slippery here. It's just hopeless. I just have to leave it a little before I can do much with the things in the back. I'm going to start with the front here. Then I'm going to take it down from the things behind and things. So just leave it to dry up a little, and I take out this one after I put up this. Yeah, please come back, please subscribe to the channel, please put a like. So, thank you.